Hey guys, thanks for tuning back into my channel. Today I'm going to give you this look, fresh out of the jungle. It's just inspired by my wild side, which obviously that's why I have this shirt on. If you guys want to see more, then just stay tuned. So today I'm going to start out with the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. I just apply with my hand. And this will give me a nice smooth surface to apply my foundation. So I do have some dark marks that I need to conceal, as you see right there. That one's not so bad, but I will cover that as well. So I'm going to use this Anastasia contour kit. I'm going to use Coral. I'm just going to use my finger and dab it. Any discolored marks that I see. For my foundation, I am using this Traceless Tom Ford stick. And my color is Chestnut. When I apply it over where I have the orange, I'm just going to be a little careful just not to smudge it completely. This foundation though is a little more coverage than what I normally use, so you'll surely see the difference. Oh wait, so my color is Warm Almond, and I don't know what I said my color was, but my color is Warm Almond. And I'm going to use a MAC 139 to blend this out. Oh, this is looking very orange. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with MAC Pro Longwear, and my color is NC42. Oh, I think I'm just going to go in and use my setting powder, blend this out. I'm so not a fan of this right now, but we're going to try to make it work. I'm hoping this contour job does the trick, and I'm using Pure Cosmetics Contour Diary. For my brows, I'm going to use Brow Wiz in Dark Brown by Anastasia. And then I go ahead and brush down. And of course, to set my brow, I'm going to use some clear brow gel. Shadow Insurance. Today I'm using Magic Moments by Dose of Colors. So pretty. But first, we're gonna do my crease baked browns, also by Dose of Colors. I'm gonna take my Moto Pro brush. It's a 430 crease brush. Gonna go in here. I'm going to take this shadow brush from Pure and go in with a darker brown rock bottom. Take the same brush. Look how good it blends out. So this already comes with a primer, which is perfect. I'm gonna stick this on my lid, exactly where I want it. This has a very creamy texture, so I'm sure it's gonna pick up the pigment very easily. It also helps to pick up the pigment, since if you use the same brush that you applied the primer with, it allows the brush to pick it up. A lot of people say do not do liner after you've done glitter or sparkles, but never mind. I don't usually put liner on the inside of my eye, but today I'm going to use a matte black liner from NYX. It's going to deepen out this look for me. And continuing in NYX fashion, I'm using Worth the Hype mascara. The difference in this eye. And go in here. So I don't know what it is, but something definitely has my skin oily, and it could be the foundation. For my highlight, I'm going to go in with this 184 fan brush from MAC and Master Chrome by Maybelline. So for my lip, we have Always On Throwback Jam by Smashbox. Hey guys, thanks again for watching my walk on the wild side. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and you picked up some new tricks and learned about a few products that you haven't tried and might want to go out and get. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.